Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk on how to make women feel safe. So let's start. Friends, it is matter of shame if we have to think how to make women feel safe. It means we admit the fact that women don't feel safe in the society we are living in. And this is the fact we can't deny. Women are subjected to all sorts of humiliation and torture, not only when they are out of home among outsiders, but also in their own homes. There are reports of minors, even little babies, having been raped by close relatives or next door neighbors. There are reports of married girls tortured or even burnt alive for the sake of dowry. Cases of eve teasing, molestation, and exploitation at public places and workplaces are too common. Thus, women have to live in a state of constant fear wherever they may be. Then, what could be done to make women feel safe from any danger to their life, limb, dignity, or self respect? Clearly, everything can't be left to the government and the police. We can't expect a policeman at every corner. No doubt, there should be stringent laws and deterrent punishment for the guilty. But the problem can't be solved merely by depending on the police, the government, and the judiciary. We will have to educate women and train them in the ways of self defense. We shall have to instill in them and the confidence that they can defend themselves and have not to depend on the help of any man or agency. And above all, the society as a whole will have to wake up to its responsibility towards women. We should love up to our profession and treat women as devis, not treat them as mere objects of lewd desires. I hope this video will help in your studies and you can write on essay very easily. If you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.